Hey, what's up guys? I have something to unbox. Let's go. We have Ray-Ban sunglasses. There are two sizes. We got 49. See it? And then we got 51. And today we're going to unbox it. So first, there are two colors: brownish turtle, turtleish shells color, brown. And this one is plain black. So guys, I have two sizes, two colors, and today we're going to unbox 49. It's Ray-Ban Clubmasters. So this is the case of Ray-Ban Clubmaster of this color, the first color that we're going to open. We got the plain black. I'm going to take this piece off. Alright, so here it is. It's black. We'll wear it. How do you think? This is the glasses. So I'll tell you the colors. We got gold. All of them are gold except this is plain, and there's a letter right here, white. And these are like silver parts of the glasses, like the nose part. And then we got the 51, which is turtleish brownness. Is that a word? I don't think that's a word, but I'm just gonna say it. Here we got. The case is still the same. This is the 49, I guess, case. Yeah, this is definitely the 49 case. And this is the 51 case. It's just the same. It's the same. Now we got this one, which is little. I don't know why. But this is the 49, and this is the 51. Promise. This is the brownish one. I'm gonna wear it. This is the brownish turtle one. So all the parts are gold except this. You see upper parts. So guys, I'm gonna take all these stuffs in here. So we got this thing to like wipe your glasses. And we got this, which is, I think it's a note for what to use. And then we got this, the icons. So I'm gonna read it. The history of Ray-Ban is written in CD, albums, art, museums, fashion runways, alleys, arenas. So I'm just gonna take you guys a look. I think it's the same, but hey. So this is the details of the glass, and you guys can read this. Pause the video if you want to read it. So this is called the Aviator. Alright, we got the next one. This is Shooter. This is called the Shooter glass of Ray-Ban. This is from the Icons version, but this is the Clubmaster version that we're unboxing. Do you like it, guys? This is the brownish one, 49 one. Well, so this is the black one. Okay, cameraman, please cut the camera. Cut. And this is the 51 size. It's black. Like it? I think I like the 51 version better than this one. This is a challenge. What will happen if you wear two glasses in one time? I'm gonna wear the small one first. I'm going to wear both of these in one time. So I got the first one, and then we're gonna wear this one inside. Oh my god. It's actually not that great. I cannot actually see. I can see one bright and one dark. Okay, time to take this one off. Now I'm gonna try black first and oh my god. It's so hard to take off. There we go. I'm gonna wear the black one first and the little one. But I think the black one's better. This is, I think the big one and the small one is the winner. Big and small, winner. It's so hard to take out these glasses. You gotta be careful with these because they might, might hurt your brain. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notifications. And if you subscribe to my channel, Husby, we will do more and more things like gaming, and unboxing, and vlogs. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye.